તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
In Gujarat is the bigger and the great in the world with the many country and also the great festival for me. I'm happy here to be following the Kite Festival. I'm fans of the Minister Narendra Modi. Before he is Prime Minister and Chief Minister in Gujarat, I was a fan from him because he's very brilliant and tough man, and I love him.
It's my third time in India, and I'm very excited for this year, and it looks already like it's going to be so much bigger than the other years.
How is your experience about Kite Festival?
In the past, it's been really fun. I've gotten to meet like a lot of different kite flyers, also from India, which has been really interesting. And I've met a lot of like nice Indian people, and I've been welcomed here. I always feel welcomed with open arms.
What about Gujarat, our state?
I think it's really beautiful. Last year I was lucky enough to go to like Statue of Unity and that stuff, and I learned about the history. And I've here afterwards taken it upon myself to learn a lot about Gujarat history, and it's really interesting. And the people here is especially nice.
What about Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi?
I think he's doing a lot of really good stuff, and he's someone you can be proud of. And he's like compared to a lot of other nations, he's a really good prime minister, and yeah, you should be really happy about it.
તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.